Visit our training kitchen class in Brisbane Part 2. Here's the inside of the Brighton College training kitchen. Let's ask our chef what we will have in the menu today. After hearing the trainer explanation, it's your turn to practice. It's showtime! Whoa! It looks so yummy! Keep practicing. No filter needed for our food video. Don't be stressed because of the feedback time. You can enjoy your food after it. Well done our students at Training Kitchen class today. Follow us for the next buffet party at Training Kitchen Class Brisbane. We are here to train you.